Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora detectorK. This is the platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you just need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared in my videos. Do your own personal you should do your own personal practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Just like I have said earlier on, these are the assets I will be checking out one after the other. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. Okay guys, this market actually got to the support zone around here. You can see it's also respected it around there, and it picked up from there on uptrend, and it's got to this resistance zone. Okay guys, it has not been able to break out from there, and it's trying to go back into a downtrend. Okay, so we might be experiencing more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay, so this is boom 500. This had been on uptrend right from this support zone till it got to this resistance zone, and right now it is selling at the moment. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right here. Crash 1000 had been on downtrend right from there, and it got to this support zone, and of course it was unable to break out below it, so it's trying out a buy trend. And of course if it breaks out above this resistance zone, then it's going to buy more, so we expect it to buy more right from there. Okay, so the next asset, which is going to be crash 500, let's check it out right away. This is crash 500. It actually went on uptrend and got to this resistance zone, was unable to break out above it, so it started a sell trend right from there, even though it played around there for a while before breaking out below the support zone, and right now it is still selling. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. And the last asset is going to be V75. Volatility 75 had been on downtrend for a while, but got to the support zone, was unable to go below that, and it started buying right from there. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of it and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy our Qora detectorK, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, watch out for my next video. Until then,